It's Thursday morning, and this is 6th grade math, page 388, comparing decimals and fractions. By definition, you should already know what comparing means. When we take numbers and we choose the less than symbol, the greater than symbol, or the equal sign to make the comparison. Example 1, page 388, asks you to compare with greater, less, or equal to -1 2/10 versus 8/10. Okay, they give you the number line, and as you can see from the number line, all of your positive numbers are on the right side of 0. They get larger as we move to the right. On the left side of 0, you have your negative numbers. Again, it's total opposite from 0 to the left. These negative numbers get smaller. Now, this is an obvious question with an obvious answer. Your positive number, no matter what the decimal value is, will always be larger than the negative numbers. So if I needed to put in my symbol, there it is. It's right here. It says -1 2/10 is less than. Elbow bumps the little number off the planet, then decimal 8. Okay, another example here is they say to graph -1 40/100, or if I took off the 0, 4/10 versus -1 25/100. Okay, well, they want you to graph on a number line. There's the number line. All right, I need to look at -125. Here's my -1.2. Here's my -1.25. And then there's my -40. As you can see, 0 is way over here if I needed to extend it. Okay? And I see that as my numbers get smaller down the number line, -125 is above -140, so -140 is less than -125. And then it talks about renaming the fraction on example 3, -3/8 versus -5/16. Well, here they found a common denominator, but I'm going to do this again because you guys are going to say, well, can't we butterfly? Yes, you can butterfly. So here it is. And I'm going to butterfly for you. A negative times a positive. That answer, negative. And I'll do it again. You can see I painted my fingernails from the last time I visited with you. -3 times 16. I'll throw that multiplication symbol in the middle so you can see it. It's -48. Okay, so -48 versus -40. Which one is smaller? Numbers, looks like that -48, they look like a large number to you, but because it's to the left of the number line, it's going to be less than. And so there it is right there. On the bottom, you have the got it problems here, A through D. I'll do A and C with you, and then you shoot me back what B and D looks like. 3.1 versus -3.7. If you see one is a positive, one is a negative, automatically throw down the greater than symbol right there. All positive numbers are greater than all negative numbers. That's the test question. Your test will be coming up next week, hopefully. 9/16 versus 12/16. These are like fractions. You do not need to butterfly. Only look at the top numbers known as the numerators. Which is smaller, the 9 or the 12? And you guys are going to say the 9. So we throw down those two. See what you can do with the Got It, page 388. B, and D.